If you made it here, congratulations. You just completed a full Welcome to Elm course, or you skipped to the last video in the series. I can't tell the difference. Either way, great job. I'm glad you hung out with me and let me show you all of the nuance that it takes to make some web apps with Elm. I hope you make something really cool with it, and be sure to share it with me on Twitter. You can find me at @RHG_dev. And yeah, tag me. Let me know what you build. I'm really excited to see what you're up to. In terms of like additional learning resources, be sure to check out the Elm guide. It's kind of like a text form of this video series. The official Elm guide at guide.elm-lang.org. You can always reference that whenever you need help. Be sure to check out the official Elm community Slack. There's a lot of wonderful people in there that help answer questions that you might have. And there's a specific beginners channel just for you if this is your first time learning Elm. There's also the Elmland discourse if you're using the Elmland framework, which we mentioned in the previous video, to just help people get started, add some stuff, and make some apps. I'm excited to see what you build. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I hope to release some future more in-depth videos in the future to cover like HTTP, JSON, stuff like that. I had a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.